Today, I am reviewing ASUS TUF F16 gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The ASUS TUF F16 gaming laptop is a powerhouse machine designed for gamers, creators, and professionals who demand both raw performance and long-lasting durability. Right out of the box, the first thing that stands out is its solid military-grade design, which is built to handle the wear and tear of everyday use, travel, and long gaming sessions. Its Jaeger gray finish gives it a sleek yet tough appearance, while its slim frame at just 0.7 inches in thickness keeps it modern and portable despite being packed with so much hardware. At around 5 pounds, it's not the lightest laptop on the market, but considering what it delivers, it strikes a fair balance between portability and power. The display is one of the most impressive aspects of this laptop. You're getting a large 16-inch FHD plus IPS panel with a 16:10 aspect ratio, which offers more vertical screen space compared to traditional displays. This makes it not only great for gaming but also for productivity tasks like coding, editing, or managing multiple windows. The 1920 by 1200 resolution is crisp, and the 165 Hz refresh rate with NVIDIA G-Sync support ensures ultra-smooth gameplay with no tearing or stuttering. On top of that, it covers 100% of the sRGB color gamut and provides up to 300 nits of brightness, making colors vibrant and visuals immersive whether you're gaming, streaming, or editing photos and videos. The anti-glare coating also reduces reflections, so you can comfortably use it in brighter environments without distraction. Under the hood, the ASUS TUF F16 comes equipped with Intel's 14th generation Core i7-14650HX processor. This 16-core, 24-thread CPU can turbo up to 5.2 GHz and delivers exceptional performance across the board. Whether you're running the latest AAA titles, streaming your gameplay, or multitasking with heavy applications, this processor handles it all without breaking a sweat. Paired with this CPU is the brand new NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 graphics card with 8 GB of ultra-fast DDR5 RAM. The RTX 5060 brings all the latest features such as ray tracing and DLSS 4, which uses AI to boost frame rates and image quality, giving you smooth and realistic visuals even in graphically demanding games. With up to 115 watts of maximum graphics power and a MUX switch to bypass the integrated GPU, you can expect a noticeable boost in performance for competitive gaming. Memory and storage are where this laptop really shines for power users. With a massive 64 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 5600 MHz, multitasking becomes seamless. You can have multiple apps open, stream, record, and play games all at once without slowdown. On top of that, it includes a 1 TB solid-state drive, which is both fast and spacious. Boot times are nearly instant, games and applications load quickly, and you'll have plenty of room for your entire game library, media files, or creative projects. For users who need even more storage, the TUF F16 supports expansion up to 4 TB, giving you future flexibility. Cooling is always a concern with high-performance gaming laptops, but ASUS addresses this with its advanced cooling system. Featuring second-generation ArcFlow fans, a full-width heatsink, and integrated dust filters, the laptop maintains efficient airflow while staying quieter than many competitors. This means you can game for hours without worrying about overheating or having the fans distract you with loud noise. Combined with its durability tested under military-grade standards, the TUF F16 is a laptop built to last in both performance and physical endurance. In terms of connectivity, the ASUS TUF F16 gives you all the ports and wireless features you need. It includes 2 USB-C ports, 3 USB-A ports, an HDMI 2.1 port capable of handling 4K at 120 Hz output, a dedicated Ethernet port for stable wired connections, and a headphone jack. For wireless, it supports the latest Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring fast, reliable, and future-proof connectivity. This makes it easy to connect peripherals, external monitors, or transfer data at high speeds. The laptop also brings thoughtful features for daily use. It comes with a backlit RGB keyboard that not only looks stylish, but is also durable, with anti-ghosting support for precise inputs during fast-paced gaming. Facial recognition support adds convenience and security, allowing you to log in quickly without typing passwords. Audio quality is enhanced by support for Dolby Atmos and high-res audio, which delivers a more immersive soundstage whether you're gaming, watching movies, or listening to music. Overall, the ASUS TUF F16 gaming laptop is a complete package for anyone who values high performance, durability, and versatility. It combines a stunning 16-inch high-refresh display, powerful 14th Gen Intel processor, RTX 5060 graphics, massive memory and storage options, and advanced cooling in a tough but portable design.